Now this is a solar charger, means a charger which is charging the mobile or tab or power bank with the light rays. Like the light rays, when it's reflect on the CD, there is a certain type of electricity created, which is preserved by the copper wire and given out to this USB port, which charges the mobile. Now I will show you the working of it and how is it useful. Let's see. Now you can see the copper wires on the CD. That's because to preserve the electricity and give out in this USB port, which is here. Now I will show you the interior of it. As you would think that there are batteries involved. Now look, there are no batteries, nothing. Now let's see, is it charging the mobile or not? Now look, charging. Now that's because of the light rays. The light rays is stored by this copper wires, and the copper wires then give it out here in this USB port. Hope the main function of it is just to charge the mobile by this light rays. This was the main thing to make this video, and I think you liked it.